In this CDX user tutorial, we're going to take a look at using the electronically fillable NATEF Tasksheets that are included in the CDX Lite vehicle and CDX MLR sites. To access the Tasksheet search, you need to log into your CDX site using either your supervisor or your teacher access. And then you want to navigate to your course, whether it's Lite vehicle or MLR. And then over here on the left-hand side of your screen, you have the Tasksheet management box, and below that you have a link to the Tasksheet search. When you click on this, it'll open it up in a new tab or a new window. And here we have the 4 different standards. We have NATEF 2008 if you're still using those. These are not currently electronically fillable, but you have access to the 2008 NATEF Tasksheets if you need them. Otherwise, all of the 2013 standard Tasksheets are electronically fillable. So we have NATEF 2013 MLR, AST, and MAST. For this example, let's go into NATEF 2013 MLR. Up at the top, we have a convenient search function, so if you know which Tasksheet number you're looking for, you can type that into the system. For this example, let's use C802, and we hit enter, and that'll take us down the page to the C802 Tasksheet number. If you don't know the Tasksheet number that you're looking for, but you know which ASC area you're working in, you can come in here to any of these buttons. For instance, let's go to ASC 5, and this takes us to the breaks section where we have all of the NATEF Tasksheets for the ASC 5 breaks area. Once you've found the Tasksheet that you're looking for, in this case it's going to be C802 for this example, if you click on that Tasksheet number, it will open up the Tasksheet. If you are in Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, it's going to open up just like this in the browser, and you can fill out the different sections of the Tasksheet. And then once it's filled out the way you want it, come down to usually the bottom right hand side and you have the option to save or print. If you're submitting the files electronically, you want to use the save option, and then you can save it to your hard drive for submission to an instructor. For the instructors and for the students, be sure to add the student's name or have the students add their name to the end of that file name. That way if the file gets misplaced or gets put in the wrong folder, you know which student it belongs to. For those of you using Firefox, Firefox does not natively support fillable PDF. So for those of you in Firefox, let me show you what this is going to look like. We find C802, we open it up, and you notice that none of the sections are fillable. If it's fillable, it's usually going to be highlighted in blue. Up here, you'll notice we have an error saying that this PDF document might not be displayed correctly. We'll come over here, click Open with Different Viewer. It gives you the option to save or open. Since you'll be filling it out electronically and then saving it later, I recommend the Open With option. It's just easier. Click OK, and that'll open it up in Adobe Reader. Here you notice that it is fillable. We can fill out the various sections, and then once we're ready to submit this to our instructor, we can use the Save option up at the top. You can save that to our hard drive, and again, you want to make sure that you add the student's name to the task sheet. This concludes our tutorial on using the fillable NATEF Tasksheets. For more information on different ways to submit them, feel free to check out our other tutorials. But as far as using them goes, it's a pretty simple and straightforward process.